Hey guys, I want to import this live website page into my Figma so that I can make some edits. So let's see how I can do that. I just need to copy the URL and go to this website and here paste the URL. And I just need the full page and I'll press the convert and let's copy the Figma design and paste it into the Figma right here. You can see I have the editable layer by layer structure that I can edit. There are a few of the elements, for example, these overlays. Maybe we can remove that and we can make some of the adjustments. For example, this header we need to place it at top, and this section we need to place it at under, and we need to make this container auto layout with this one, and we can remove the padding and it looks much better. You can see there are some of the elements that were hidden on the page but are visible right here. We can remove them so that you can see we have the pretty much better result. And there are a few of the elements like these carousels. These are JS rendered, so maybe on the page they take some time to. Okay, let me check if this is. I can see it right here, but the content is not completely rendered, so it is not 100% perfect, but it does most of the job. Let's see if we have the image right here in the container. I'm not able to see any of the image, but you get the point. It is not 100% perfect, but it does most of the job. Done. So I hope